是 Jessica， 今天我们来到了这个地方。那这个是有一个投诉者，时常在这边夜跑的时候，然后他偶尔感觉到就是森林里面有人在喊或是叫他的声音，加上他平常有观看我们的频道，所以投诉者提供我们他夜跑的地点，然后邀请我们来这边探灵，然后并且想了解为什么他会有这样的感觉。投诉者在夜跑的地点呢是Tanjong Pagar Height 或是 Tanjong Pagar Hill Park 的这个区域。那这几天呢，我们去图书馆，从网络或报章、杂志等等的搜寻相关资料。原来这边2004年曾经发生过一个谋杀的命案，曾经有个名叫黄娜的小女孩被谋杀之后弃尸在这个山区。
So we went up Telok Blangah Hills multiple times, but we couldn't find the energy on top of the hill. There was no conclusion. The online news articles we found wrote that she was down on top of the hill. So we changed our strategy. We found a picture online that shows the body being moved from the original site. So from there we saw that there's a number 22 on the lamppost. So based on that picture, we drove around the area to try and find the exact location.
是呢，我们来到了这个22号灯柱，还有这爬坡上面来探灵，看看有没有投诉者所听到的这个声音。那当我们来到这边探灵的一段时间之后，正要往回走，突然间听到有一个幽灵的气场在喊了一声，我们全部人转头，然后往森林的方向看，可是我们并没有看到幽灵。加上我们又访问了附近的街坊邻居，是不是这边有黄娜的命案发生过？他们回答是，其中有一个住在这个区域40多年的 uncle，14年前是个目击者，告诉我们在22号灯柱的位置发现到尸体，然后是大概在那个地方。然后这个命案的尸体呢，是在 Tanjong Pagar Hill 山坡下面被搬运出来的。
So now we are at the back of Telok Blangah Hill, and we believe we have found the signpost. You can see here, it's 22, and it seems to match the picture that we saw in the article. Road seems to have changed. Okay, so this is where we came to yesterday. We saw it from the car. Because yesterday it was raining, so we didn't come out. So you can see this number 22. So this is the one that we are looking for. So let me show you what it looks like. So right beside it is already the slope, Telok Blangah Hill Park. So you can see. And you can see there's someone that's running down now. Over there. You see? So now that they have built this, a lot of people actually walk here. But last time this doesn't exist. Okay, so we discovered this road, this walkway that's inside. So now we are walking in. Ouch! I'm being bitten by ants. And super dark. Oh my goodness, okay, you look here, there's a drain, so scary. I nearly dropped inside this. Okay, ouch! Ah! There are like ants biting me. Okay. So, there's an umbrella there. 你可以帮我打灯吗？看不到路。我差点掉进那个龙沟。Okay， 这是什么？Okay, so there's this Buddha here and an umbrella. I have no idea what this means. 这是什么意思？ So this is the forest. So you can see it's very dark. The trees are very dense. Okay, so now we're going to go out. So you can see, see, my light is at the maximum already, but I can't see beyond that. It's super dark, super deserted inside there. And there's this road that ends somewhere here. So you can see the road ends here. Then there's no more road already. The road ends here. Then there's no more. This is the drain already. The road ends here. The water here is from the mountain top. It's from the mountain top. 我讲了 The water here is from the mountain top, the hilltop. Really walk to it. And really walk to it. And you see there's nothing here. No incidents happening here. Just somebody running across. And you don't see, it's just a very normal night. Okay, so just now we were inside the dense bushes inside there, and we actually on the way out we heard a scream of a woman or a lady. This is what people sometimes hear, that's why they complain to us to ask us to investigate here. And you can see people are actually running across here. So as they run across here, they heard this kind of noises. So that's why they asked us to come and investigate this area. Okay, so right now we are walking to the HDB opposite. There's a coffee shop there, and there's a community area where a lot of older folks hang out. So now we are going there to go and ask around the area if in the past there were actually maintenance lorry opposite there, and is this the place where Huang Na's body was found. So we are going there to go and ask these old residents, because it's a very old estate. So now we are walking there to go and interview them. So hopefully you can find some information to establish that that is the correct location. Hello, are you a resident here?
Yeah.
How long have you been staying here?
Auntie stay here 75 to now.
The girl body was found, just now you say it's there, right? The body found further down there. Somewhere there lah. Here is new. The road, the walking road is new lah. Last time don't have.
No.
She says that last time the opposite there was a lorry parking. That's why you see the maintenance sign. There's no walkway over there last time.
王那是靠近21跟22。
这边是绑 lorry 的，then 有 bus stop 过后有 bus 过就没有 lorry 了。
要弯修出来，那边离开很远哦。
好，谢谢uncle。拜拜。
This is the 5th day that we are here at Telok Blangah Heights, and right now we are investigating in the day. We just want to make sure that this is where the body was found. So we are here again one more time to double check the area. So we come up from the bottom there, and last time all these drains, they didn't exist. All these drains here, it didn't exist. So she was probably thrown somewhere up there, somewhere along there. The area there. You see over here there is joss sticks. Somebody come here to like bye. Post 22 is in front there, and this is what the landscape looks like. Okay, so now we are here in the day. This is where people jog at night. Now's the day, so it's very hot, nobody's jogging here. So when people run around here, they have actually complained to us that they hear shouts and strange noises at night when they run around here. So we have established that the body was thrown somewhere up the hill around here, near lamppost 22, which is further down.
因为那天离开森林时，这个幽灵喊了一声，然后引起我们的注意。是不是希望我们能够带他离开这里？所以我们再次回来跟这些幽灵沟通，并且拿了招魂伞，还有五鬼招魂符来跟幽灵气场做沟通。假如他们愿意离开，他们必须听我们的话，才能顺利招到他们的魂。这些魂只要靠近招魂伞10公分的范围内，就会被招魂伞吸进去，那就表示招魂成功。等一下，师傅会用这个五鬼招魂符来招这些幽灵气场。现在招魂伞打开了，然后我们也放了一个招魂符在里面，然后我们现在要开始做一个招魂的仪式。 的幽灵气场经过我们的前面，飞去后面的森林里，再观察我们是否可靠。不到一下子，又从森林里面飞出来，靠近我们的收魂伞。我们的收魂伞只要距离收魂伞10公分的范围内，会被收魂伞吸进去。我们封了一张符在收魂伞的外面。然后不准任何其他的幽灵气场进去，我们会跟师傅带回去处理。
Okay, so we've come to the end of our video. If you like us, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you want to follow us in our investigations. So I'm Sharon.
I'm Jessica.
Bye.